Hi guys, for today's video I would like to share with you a blackbird next to our house. See the blackbird flying over there. Look at the blackbird, guys. See our blackbirds. Okay, so we are in our spring because birds are coming. You hear the chirping of the blackbird. That's the blackbird here. So there are two blackbirds. Look at that. Two blackbirds in our place today in our yard. Okay, I don't know what is the name of this bird in the Philippines. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. This is Kinaboying America Vlog. Bye.